Jonathan Wolk with Wolk 360 Real Estate, and I'm here with one of our realtors, Georgia Brown, who's got this beautiful listing up here in North Raleigh. We've been working with this seller trying to find them a new house. This is a townhouse. They've been looking for a house downtown. Last week we landed one, got it under contract, and then lo and behold, now it's time to sell the existing townhouse. And so we jumped to it, got the house staged, got it photographed, and got it ready to show, uploaded onto the MLS. Already had some showings, and I'm gonna have Georgia take you through the house because it's a beautiful townhome, and I think it's gonna make somebody very happy.
Georgia Brown here, let's come on in. So Johnson Woods Court is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3-story. It's less than 2 years old, so it's like you're getting a brand new townhome. Come on in. Got a nice little nook here for a drop station for book bags, briefcases, that sort of thing. The open floor plan with 10-foot ceilings is really the star of the show down here. We've got quartz countertops and LG stainless steel appliances. Again, everything is less than 2 years old. So we have your open dining room area and living room. It's perfect for entertaining, and a gorgeous little patio back there if you want to get some sun. And here's our outdoor patio. It's perfect for grilling or just hanging out with friends. Nice little space with lots of light. Here we have our primary suite. Lots of natural light, 2 great closets, full bath with quartz countertops, 2 sinks, and a walk-in shower. Come follow me to the second of 3 bedrooms. Here we have our second bedroom. It's got a great ceiling fan, natural light, and a built-in desk. Now we're on the 3rd floor. We have a great bedroom or a multi-purpose room, however you would like to use it. Lots of natural light, ceiling fan, full bath, and 2 generous closets. Now moving into the dining area, we've got great space for meals and entertaining. Also have a great open living room area that walks out to the patio.
So I hope you enjoyed Georgia's tour of this beautiful North Raleigh townhouse. And if you want to come and take a look, check us out online and schedule an appointment.